Hey there, what's up guys? It's me, your friend nabhour STSsoham, and apparently I have been challenging everyone for asking me good questions, and apparently many of them asked me maths questions, so let's solve them. So first of all, the question is 67 into 969 divided by 54 into 33 divided by 54. I know you guys just put random numbers and gave it question, but I will solve it anyway. So first of all, with Borma's rule, you can solve this like this. First of all, you have to solve this divide division, and after that you can actually solve the question. So first of all, I shall solve the division. 69 divided by 54, 1.277 or whatever it is. So I shall write it like this: 67 into 1.277 and whatever into 3 divided by 54 is, I just use calculator, 0.055 and so on. So that we shall first multiply these two and then multiply by 67, I guess. So 85.55 9 into 0.55, which is, I guess, wait, let me use the calculator. Okay, so the answer is 47.05745. This is the answer, I guess. So the next question is 0. We have to prove that 0 divided by 0 is equal to 2. How to prove this? What kind of question is this? First of all, let me check. 0 factorial is 1, I guess, so let's do it like this: 0 factorial divided by 0 factorial, which is 1 upon 1. Well, like this I guess. No, it's not working, I guess. I shall try something else.
2,000 years later.
Nothing is working. Let's see, 1 divided by 1. It's not working. It has to be like 1 plus 1, which is 2, but it's just undefined. I mean, it's impossible. So it's not true. It's a false statement. So it can be actually a true, or it can be solved or proved. So let's just continue. The next question is 2 plus 2 into 2 minus 2. 2 into 2 plus 2 square. So there are a lot of 2's in here. So first of all, we shall do the bracket, and for that, in bracket we have to complete the multiplication sign. Once we complete the multiplication sign, it gets easier. With Borma's rule, we have to next go with addition and then subtraction. So it's like 6 minus 2 into 4 plus 4. We shall do minus 4 into 4 plus 4, which is 16 plus 4, and it's 20. So the answer is 20. So let's continue our work. So the next question is 7 square plus 9 minus 30 divided by 3 square plus 4 into 6, plus 6. So 7 is 49 plus 9 divided by 3, 9 divided by 9, plus 10, which is like this: 49 plus 1, because 9 divided by 9 is 1, plus 10. It's rather easy. Just have to go with 50 plus 10, which is 60, and that's it. The answer is 60. So the next question is, well, all the questions are pretty easy actually for me. So next question is 294 divided by 532 plus 100. People are just giving random questions. These are not related. Anyway, so okay, so the question is really difficult, I guess. I should try. Okay, so it should be minus 8.447364 something. I just used the calculator, not mine. Leave it to me. So 69 minus 25 square. I should just solve it. 44 square. So 44 square is, I guess, 40. I don't remember. I should just calculate. So the 44 square is actually 1936. So that's pretty easy, I guess. let's just continue. 1 plus 1 into 1, I mean 0. So it's pretty easy. Answer is, oh yes, we have to go complete with bar math. So 1 plus 0 is equal to 1, and answer is 1. So that's it. The question is also a little tricky, I mean. So the next question is 9 minus 3 divided by 1 upon 3 plus 3, I mean 1. So the answer is 9 minus 3 upon 1 upon 3 plus 1. So we have to just multiply the 3 which is down from the up. So it's like this, 9 minus 9 plus 1, which is actually 1. So the next question is C is equal to 2 pi r, which is actually the circle question, and it's pretty easy, I guess. So pi square is, the value of pi is 22 upon 7. Let's just continue like that. So C is equal to 6.268, which is 2 into pi into 20. So that's it, and C is equal to question mark. That's it. So we just have to multiply 6.28 into 20. So the answer should be 125.6. So the next question is 77 plus 53, which is actually 110. Pretty easy actually. So the next question is x to the power of 4 plus 1 upon x to the power of 4, and we have to prove that we have to find the value if x plus 1 upon x is equal to 5. So this is actually a pretty tricky question because it's actually a very hard question. So I shall just solve it like this. First of all, we should square both sides by 2. So it's like x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 5 square. Just square everywhere. So if you know this, there is algebraic expressions which is a plus b square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we should just use that in this question. As you can see, both of them are similar, a square plus b square, like this, x square plus 1 upon x square. So we should just write it like this, x square plus 2 into x plus 1 upon x plus 1 upon x square. So it's like this, pretty easy, I guess. It's actually pretty easy. You just have to study a little, maybe, and you should be smart as well. Hey! So we should just continue. I wrote 25 because pi square 25, easy. So the next step is to like terms together. Well, I don't know what it's called. So x square plus 1 upon x square minus 2 into x into 1 upon x, and what was it next? It's got 25. Well, that's it. We shall just cancel x 1 upon x into x because x and x upon x, and it's 1, and if we multiply 2 with 1, it's actually 2. So it will just be x square plus 1 upon x square plus 2 is equal to 25 because we just cut it whatever. So that's it. After this, you can just put the 2 on the other side and just minus it with 25, which is actually 23. So it's x square minus plus 1 upon 2 square plus is equal to 25. As you can see, there is actually 4, not square, to the power of 4. We have to change it to 4. So for that we have to do the steps again, like square both the sides again and do it like this. It shall be, so just let's solve it like this. X for the a plus b square formula, x to the power of 4 plus 2 into x square plus into 1 upon x square plus 1 upon x square in bracket square is equal to 23 square, whatever that is. It should be 529. That's the answer. So after this, you can just do the steps as it is. I mean, that's it. There's nothing else. You can just minus the 2 from 509, which is actually 527. So the x to the power of 4 plus 1 upon x to the power of 4 is equal to actually just 527. That's it. That's how we solve this question. It was actually pretty tricky for me. It took like 1 or 2 hours for me how to solve this, but I actually did this solve on my own. So next question is, there are 9 lines, then there's 1 line and there's 4 lines. Well, you just have to calculate the dots in it, the points which it intersects. That's it. We just have to count that. It's pretty easy. So next question is called the answer of 6. We just have to use the normal algebraic progressions like plus, minus, divided, and push, something like this. As you know, 0 factorial is actually 1, so we can just do it like this: 1 plus 1 plus 1. I mean 0 factorial plus 0 factorial plus 0 factorial, which is 3. And if we just do the factorial of 3, which is 6, so we can just complete it like this: bracket the zeros and put factorial. We shall get 6. That's it. 0 factorial plus 1, factorial is equal to 6. The next is 1 plus 1 plus 1, and if we took the factorial of it, it shall be 6. That's pretty easy. The 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6. That's it. And 3 into 3 minus 3, we can do this like this, and it's also 6. If for 4, we can just cube. The root of 4 is 2, so 2 plus 2 plus 2. I mean 4 root plus 4 root plus 4 root is equal to 6. That's it. That is also easy. Then next is 5. So for 5 we can do this like this: 5 plus 5 upon 5, which is 6. I mean 5 plus 1 is 6. The next is 6 plus 6 minus 6. 6. The 7 minus 7 upon 7 is also 6. And for 8 we can do it like this. I mean this one is actually hard because 8 is I shall try. I mean I don't actually know how to solve this, but if we do it like this, root of 8 plus root of 8 upon root of 8 and its factorial, we shall actually get 6. Yeah, I guess, I'm not sure. It's like root 8 plus 1 is equal to 6. I mean its factorial is 6. Root 9 into root 9, it's like 3, because root 9 is 3, so we can just do it like this: root 9 into 9, root minus 96. For 10 we shall, I just google it because I didn't knew 10 and 8, so I just did a little cheating, but that's it. That's how you solve it. 9 factorial is actually 6. Remember that. I have no idea how to use that word, but never mind. It's genius if you like. So subscribe my channel, like my video, and see ya.